May bata na garaga sa
Saudi Arabia. How are you, everybody? May hapon yung tanan. I'm very happy na nakaabot mo karon hapon para mag-celebrate sa family while the family is celebrating the birthdays of Mama, Sol, Jojo, Harline, and Jersey. But before I proceed, let me thank Harline. Then, thank you very much for your unselfish effort in making this occasion possible. Also to RJ, to Julian, to my sister Julie, thank you. And sa duha ka ulit tao diha, kanang atong malinayot o take video, to Tomas and to Jello, thank you very much. Mas, videohan ni Mas, sahay na ni, close up. Jel, ayaw pa diya Jel ha, panilbihan na na Jel. And, okay, by the way, kanang mga relatives na wala pa na ako namin,
close up din naman.
nanaan karon. Thank you sa inyong pagtambong. I know, wala pa lang na-meet si Pastor Midel, although I always hear your name. How are you, Pastor? Angelino, sis Kasim Tata, Doktora Tata, how are you? Thank you for coming here. Inaaman mo karon. Salamat. And murag taas-taas na akong greetings kay lima ni sila, so I will start siguro sa pinakabutan expectation. To Harline, Len, pinakabutan ni kayo. Len, happy birthday. My wish for you is sana makakita ka na ng job na where you will be enjoying while performing your duties. Okay. Gusto mo mag-work na dili ka nag-enjoy. So, I'm wishing na makakita ka anak ng job. I think more kapit na. And then, ayun ka ba lang sa edad na iladugan din ang iladugan may ulit ng edad na yung ayaw ko ako iladugan. Don't worry, kaya cute man. To Jerson, Sir, how are you? I hope you made it there. Ang wish ko sa inyo, girls, is sana ma-assign na ka sa isa ka lugar wherein you and Tintin will be together and you can raise a family, you can start your family, and that your kids will be growing na you are by their side. Kaya gusto ka ay yung dako ang mga bata na wala yung papa o mama na ating sa kailan. And to my cousin Jojo, I know you're not there. Nakita ko niyo on your birthday. So, great lagi hapon to niyo din. Happy birthday. And I wish you all the best and happy na natin. Family, very nice family, very beautiful wife. You're blessed. And I wish you all good health. And to my beauteous cousin, so, nag-chat na taga ni Hasan, thank you din. So, murang wala naman yung kay sa ibong rinaan sa imong talan. Siguro, good health. I wish you all the good health. And more wealth. More wealth kayo. Kung maganto niya kung may panangkat sa mga tao. I know you're very trying hard. And then kayo natabangan ng tao. You keep me healthy. Thank you. I'm so proud of your class na bisag anak ng imong estado, wala yun yan kung mga galing ka ng mga pariente, mga poor people. You keep on helping. I wish you all the best na sana mag-bless ka pa. More blessings to come. Para na natin pag may share. And to my mama, Ma, happy birthday, Ma. 80th birthday. Dili tanan na tagaan chance nga makaabot sa oksin ng tangina. How I wish makaabot ko anak. Na healthy pa ko. Ma, I wish you good health yun. Ang atong ibig sa inyo and long life. Na sana you will be spending and celebrating more birthdays in the coming years. And in one of those years, I hope I will be there. Kaya murag dugay na nga panahon na wala di ko permi every time na ay occasion sa family. So, happy birthday, Ma. I wish you all the best. And before, I would like to take the opportunity of thanking you once again sa pagdadako sa amua. Thank you for being so strict and being so firm. Kung dili siguro ka sa imong perseverance o sa imong pagkamadiskarte, dili siguro may ani karon. So, thank you very much. I know you had a hard time before embracing us up sa ampo pa naman mo. Pero you did it. I'm so proud of you, Ma. You're really a super mom. Thank you. Ay, kung wala mo binigyan ng push sa una, dili may ani karon. Nagkakal ko niya. Dili na niya basta-basta matumba sa mga kalabas pinaguli. Dili sa keep on mahit mo paglaban ka na and keep on standing up every time you go. Thank you for being our mom. And I wish you good health. Talaga good health kay sige na reklamo yung tiil sa diha sakit. So, na ako ipahatag sa imo nga CD, nga exercising CD. Kung tain mo itong gamitin everyday. Gwapo ka ito sa mga senior citizen. And to Uncle Henry, Uncle, kumusta? And kay Auntie Linda, Auntie, thank you for coming over. Auntie Josie, murag na dyan ko isa lang dyan ka-request sa Tres Marias. Kay Auntie Josie, Auntie Linda, o kay Mama. Pwede mo mag-uwan ka na. Mag-dance ka naman. Who knows? Di na rin man yung mausap. Kini na okasyon. Kung mausap man galing mo,